Okay, so I've ordered a bunch of things from Taobao. Ordering from Taobao means this is probably fake, okay? I've mentioned this in the other video where I decorated my Switch. This stuff is fake. Like, dude, no way I bought like the real Swarovski, I don't know how to pronounce it. No way I bought the real like diamond thingies, I don't know. So yeah, anyways, this is probably all fake, okay? So just to get this out of the way. The last time I decorated my Switch in this like Animal Crossing design thingy, and I've ordered new skins for it too, but they still haven't arrived, so I thought I would decorate my phone and my AirPods. Like, I'm currently using this AirPod case. It's super cute, but it got a bit dirty, and yeah, I think you can see this, so I got a new one. Yeah, just trying to make my things a little bit more cute. So I'm currently using this case. It's pretty dirty. It's kind of old. It's like broken here, broken here. So I'm going to change this now. I got two cases. One is Sailor Moon and one is, I don't know, some sort of anime probably. I just got it because I thought it looks kind of cute. And look, can you see this? It changes the color. Like, it'll get orange or pink. Oh, I didn't even know that. I think they're very cute. And as I said, they're probably fake, so if you know where to get the real ones, then just, you know, get the real ones. However, I have no idea how to get this, like, case off. It's like, oh. Okay, I will just let my husband do it, so maybe just move on to the fake Swarovski, whatever. I'm not really sure what I want to do with it, but thought maybe I can like put some here. Top more quality. Like, they won't actually stick. Ah, Taobao. Oh, that's kind of cute, right? Okay, maybe I'll get a tweezer. No, not on the tweezer. So sometimes the glue won't actually come off with it. Like, it's just stuck here, but there's no glue on here, so that's really funny. How's that? Is that cute or is it weird? So actually, I wanted to put those hearts on those, but they seem a little bit thick. Ah, it's so big. Oh no. That's so cute. They're so much bigger than expected, you know? Why the glue never comes off with it? It's so annoying. Oh, not here. That's not straight. Oh no. These are weird. I don't look at. Obviously, I've never done this before. I promise they were just too big. I just figured out that these are actually smaller than these, so I'll exchange them because I think they're a little bit too big. I guess I will just put some like glitter somewhere. Can I make a heart, like a glitter shaped heart or so? Okay, that's not looking like a heart. Let's try to make a heart. How do I make a heart? It doesn't look like a heart at all. It just looks like some weird design. I feel like that's not a heart shape. Oh no. Somehow they're bothering. I can't remove them. I'm not sure about this. Should I like put the small ones there too? That's kind of cute. What do you think? Wow, I'm so proud of myself. It looks cute actually. So I've also decorated the back side of the AirPod case, and I tried to make like a flower with those crystals. It is not. You so cute. It's not the best design ever, but I think it's pretty cute. So yeah. Do you like that?